Today I'm going to see if I can turn these flames into color with magical flames. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here in the wilderness by this campfire, and it's burning with regular wood. It's a very small campfire, but I picked this up. It's called Magical Flames, and apparently you just throw this whole packet in there. I'm not sure what kind of chemicals are in here, but what it's supposed to do is turn my little boring yellow flames into magical, colorful flames. So I'm kind of curious to see if it works. Let's try it out. So this is what you get, this little plastic packet here, and it says simply toss pouch into fire. So I can follow directions. I'm just going to go ahead and lay it on the top and see what we get. I'm assuming that once it starts burning, it'll kind of fall apart and then create our magical flames. Ooh, there she goes. No magical flames yet. Kind of sizzling. I can see some stuff oozing out of it. Okay, it's taken a few minutes, but I see some colorful flames starting to lick out of there. You might be able to see them. Definitely like blue, purple, kind of almost a neon blue. But they are coming. That's pretty cool. It definitely adds a different, interesting look to a fire. Almost kind of reminds me of like a gas stove flame. I'm gonna see if it gets any bigger. All right, it's been a few minutes here, and I will say that once the packet starts catching on fire, it takes maybe 3, 4, 5 minutes for it to really actually start to burn. But you can see we are getting that blue flame in there, kind of that blue, green, purplish flame, which is kind of cool. The flame is only coming off of the packets. Obviously, the chemicals that are inside the packet are what's creating that. So I kind of expected it to be very sparkly, almost like a sparkler, and cover up the whole fire here. But if you want more of it, I guess you could always throw in another packet, but it definitely is burning blue, so that's pretty cool. But it's definitely a subtler and smaller and less dramatic effect than I thought it would be. Now, if you are having a campfire, use these only outdoors, and you want to add just a little bit of color, a little bit of pizzazz to your campfire, a little bit more unique, then you might want to pick up Magical Flames. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.